Okay, if you're watching this forecast on Facebook or wherever, I am going to release 4 videos that I usually release on the weatheredoutlook.com page, and they're associated with the certain areas of the state, like 4 different areas. I split the map up into, and I give a 48-hour forecast. So I'm going to put them out there. So look underneath this one, and you'll see, and I'll just have it stated what areas that it includes in that forecast, and you can click on your particular area, and you can see exactly what the next 48 hours looks like. So we're going to move out. That covers 48 hours. We're going to move this out to Friday morning, and you can see some rain moving in northwestern Pennsylvania. And then as it starts to come east, it runs into colder air. This is around 8 o'clock in the morning, and you got some freezing rain up here in northern Pennsylvania, south north central PA. Everybody else, it's rain. And then as it goes towards the afternoon hours, begins to break up. The rain moves into Philadelphia and South Jersey, up here towards Erie. The freezing rain is limited to the higher elevations of the Poconos, and then it moves out and it's gone. And then as we get into the weekend, the storm that was going to be big is to the north, basically, and it does put a little bit of snow and freezing rain in northern PA, but that's about it for that. And then as we get into next week, this is around the fourth and fifth. This is the fifth, that early in the morning around midnight. Snow is spread across Pennsylvania, and it's actually a little further south this time. You got some sleet. This little orange here is sleet. In this area is freezing rain. Down here in green is rain. And then as it moves across the state, it's puts a little bit of snow down here in central or South Jersey here, and it puts snow down in Philadelphia, Reading, Allentown, out this way towards State College out that way. Then as it moves off, it continues to snow down here. This is around 11 in the morning on Wednesday. Uh, yeah, 11 in the morning, Wednesday the 5th. And then it clears out. And then you just got a little bit of freezing rain left over from the frontal system. So, what are we talking about snow here? This is the first system that comes through Friday. You can see most of the snow is to the north, but you can see here the freezing rain. Now, this freezing rain is the period, I'll show you this. This is Friday morning early, and then as you can see, it overspreads northern Pennsylvania, north central, northeastern PA, and North Jersey during the day on Friday. And that's about all you get out of this freezing rain. But again, there's some areas that could get a pretty good icing, and it might build up on power lines. I don't know about the roads, but it'll build up on power lines and things like that, and trees. So, be prepared that there could be a branch come down somewhere that, causes a problem with electricity. Now, from Sunday night, there is a little bit of snow in northern PA, but again, it's just a dusting. You got to wait for that next system to come through. And that next system comes through here. You can see this is early Wednesday morning, the 5th. Central PA seems to be the loading zone, and then it works its way down into central New Jersey, where there could be a good thumping. Now, Allentown, you're talking 4 to 6 inches. Reading 4 to 6 inches. Out here towards central PA, Williamsport, Sunbury, maybe 3 to 5 inches. State College around 3 to 5 inches, maybe a little bit more. But it works its way across the central part of Pennsylvania, central part of New Jersey, and then as we go into the nighttime hours, that's kind of what we got. That's the total snow. Now, northeastern PA, the extreme northern parts areas, but anything in blue can get 2 to 4 inches. The darker blues can be 3 to 5 inches. And then these purple down here could be a little bit over 6 inches. And again, we have to see where the sweet spot sets up, but that's about it. And then so that's your thing there. Now let's see if there's going to be any ice. Now don't look at this up here because that's the storm that's coming through when that storm comes through over the weekend stuff. This is the stuff that comes through with the other storm down here. And as you can see, the snow line would be up here. The freezing rain lines down here by the Mason-Dixon line, and that could be a problem down there because there could be some extreme icing down here that would cause power outages and stuff like that. So keep that in mind. So you put that together, you can see where again, ignore this up here. But if you go down, you can see where the snow line's at, and it's just south of that where the freezing rain would be. Okay, that's your update. Remember, look below and you can see your 2-day forecast underneath this forecast I post. Take it easy. Bye.